Hello all and welcome back to Simply Organized. Today we are diving into the world of laundry with some incredible tips and common mistakes to avoid. The do's, the don'ts and everything in between. So without any further delay, let's jump in and get started. Maybe separating darks and lights is already a part of your laundry routine, but you should also be sorting them based on material as well. Separate heavier clothes like jeans from lighter clothes like cotton t-shirts in order to get the best clean and also to prevent clothes from getting out of shape. Always pre-treat your stains before it goes into your machine. Using varnish can be an effective method for stain removal.
Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you...
But avoid scrubbing stains too heavily, otherwise it can damage the fabric.
Tell me baby you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do?
Overloading the washer may not clean your clothes properly because there would be no room for clothes to circulate inside. Conversely, underloading your washing machine is also not recommended because you will waste energy, detergent, and time as well. If you are not sure about how many clothes to put into the machine, then you can observe a measurement given inside the drum. Simply fill the clothes up to that measurement and they will be perfectly cleaned.
If I told you that I don't know where I'm going, don't know what to say, but I go without knowing. If I told you that I don't know what to believe in, don't know how to pray, but I pray anyway. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do?
We often think that using a lot of detergent in the machine will give cleaner clothes. But that's not correct. Unlike top-load machines, front-load washing machine consumes less water, so using too much detergent will create excessive foam and it will be difficult for the machine to rinse away completely. As a result, you can see some detergent residue build up on the washed clothes. When it comes to laundry, one cycle doesn't fit all. You're probably using the regular or delicate cycles most often, but other settings and options are worth exploring too. They will offer extra rinses for bulky items and hot water for better stain removal and whitening. At the same time, washing clothes at right temperature is really important because heat can damage certain types of fabrics. Before throwing them into the machine, always follow the clothing label instructions to retain their color, shape and condition for as long as possible. Having the right washing temperature will help your clothes last longer. With so much going on throughout the day, it's easy to throw laundry into the machine and then forgetting about it. But letting them sit for too long will develop a smell of clothes. Anyways, these days washing machines are playing a tune at the end of the washing cycle, so it helps you to take out clothes as quickly as possible. After taking out the clothes, make sure to wipe the glass door and inside the drum with a microfiber cloth to remove any moisture and residue buildup. Do not forget to check the gasket and wipe it out with a dry towel. And once in a while, take the detergent tray out and clean it thoroughly.
Is it maybe because I never knew quite where I was, and suddenly you told me, baby, you're lost, but I am too. Whatever the cost, we'll make it through. Tell me you're the one for me now, 'cause what am I supposed to do? If you are not the one for me, then tell me now what I could do.
Apart from daily maintenance, it's equally important to empty drum clean your machine occasionally. And for this purpose, I use descaling powder specifically designed for empty drum cleaning. Many washing machines these days have an empty drum cleaning option. If this option is not available, then using the longest cycle at the hottest water temperature can still clean the drum effectively.
Perfectly weighted on a thin piece of paper.
I hope you found this video helpful and subscribe to my channel for such more videos. Thank you for watching.